Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make this delicious gunda ka achar, and this is a very must-have pickle with your meals. This tastes very great. So let's start making this. To make gunda ka achar, herein I have taken 500 grams of gunda which I have washed and dried it nicely. I'll separate it from the stem. So here all are ready. Now I am going to make a slit into it and remove the seeds from it. So in this way, very carefully I am going to remove the seeds. Take care that the gundas don't tear apart because the masala are going to be stuffed into it. So in this way you can see here I have removed the seed from another gunda too, and in this way all the gundas will be pitted. Now after all the gundas I have cleared, I am also going to grate one medium size of raw mango. Now I am going to make a masala out of it. So here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of achar masala. The recipe for it you can see into the link given in the description box. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of spicy red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and herein I have 250 ml of mustard oil which I have heated and I have let it cool down completely and come to room temperature. Now in this mixing bowl I am going to add in the turmeric powder. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes in Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice bright red color to the pickle. And spicy red chili powder around 1 tablespoon. Spicy red chili powder you can use as per your taste. Then the pickle masala. This is homemade pickle masala. You can see the recipe of this in the description box given below. So around 4 to 5 tablespoons of pickle masala, and then goes in salt to taste. Now I am going to add in mustard oil to it as enough to make a thick mixture so that it can be nicely stuffed into the gunda. Give this a nice mix, and if required you can add in some more mustard oil. Give it a nice mix. So here you can see I have added some more mustard oil, not much. So a thick mixture is ready to be stuffed into the gunda. Now for stuffing I have also made a mixture of around 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and around 1 teaspoon of salt. I will apply this a bit into the gunda so that the stickiness of the gunda will not be an obstacle while stuffing. And then I am going to stuff the pickle mixture what I have prepared, and also due to this mustard oil and salt the gunda will become much more softer in lesser time. In this way I am going to stuff all the gundas. Now herein I have stuffed one more gunda. Stuff the mixture in good quantity, and then I am going to put all the gundas in this jar. So once all the gundas are stuffed and I have kept all the gundas into the jar, this leftover mixture I will put it back into the jar, and the leftover mustard oil. After all the things are added into the jar, I am going to keep this jar in the sun for about 2 days so that it is well ripe and it becomes soft. See to it that the mustard oil is till the top, that is all the gundas and masala are well dipped into it. If you have liked this recipe, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such recipes on Delicacies on the Plate. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get the further notifications of my upcoming videos.